stunning views featuring beautiful mountain backdrops, plush green fairways that wind through wildlife preserves, vineyards, and wetlands. These are just some of the attractions that make the Vineyard at Escondido a favorite amongst the golfing public in the San Diego area. Built in 1993 and designed by David Rainville, the Vineyard at Escondido has quickly established itself as one of the must-play courses when visiting Southern California. And it doesn't take long for golfers to meet challenges that will test their skills. In fact, the par 4 second hole requires golfers to carefully plot their shots. Just 351 yards from the back tees, this par 4 demands a drive down the right side of the fairway in order to set up an approach around a sharp dogleg left to a green in which 2/3 is surrounded by water. The signature hole is the par 3 third, and it is beautifully situated amongst one of the many lakes found at the Vineyard of Escondido. And while the front nine presents many other challenges, it's the back nine that will test a golfer's mettle. Almost 400 yards longer, the back nine takes golfers through many elevation changes. Longer holes, such as the par 4 18th, bordered by trees down the right side of the fairway and requires a straight drive down the middle. And when their lesson is complete or their round is done, golfers can relive their shots with a cold one in the expansive clubhouse. When making a tee time, golfers visiting the San Diego area need to make the Vineyard at Escondido a must-see.